हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लेट्स गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट। फोक्समुला जो कि एक एडटेक कंपनी है, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर रोल के लिए हायरिंग कर रही है। जॉब लोकेशन इज वर्क फ्रॉम होम एंड इट इज अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब। लेट अस सी द जॉब रोल फर्स्ट। वी आर ऑन द लुकआउट फॉर अ टैलेंटेड graphic designer who can bring a live complex concept in a creative, engaging manner. You will collaborate with different teams across the organization to conceptualize and craft illusions, infographics, flyers, or any other material as requested. Your projects will need to stay in sync with brand guidelines, but you will have complete creative freedom. This is the overall job role. Now let us check the responsibilities. Work with internal partners to design and produce compelling graphics on and manage assigned projects. Keep partners informed of developments, deliver on deadlines, and check in with mentor in case of bumps. Implement brand standards and help us find new ways to effectively communicate brand mission and values. Stay up to date and best practices and current technological improvements. Now let us check the requirements. 1 year of experience working as a graphic designer or in a similar position preferred. High school diploma mandatory. Bachelor's in a relevant field is a plus. So that means if you are a college student and you are having a work experience as a graphic designer, you did some work as a graphic designer, you are eligible to apply because there is no requirement of graduation. Familiarity with popular design tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign or CC. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Portfolio showcasing 10 plus pieces and eye of detail. So these are all the requirements. Now they have mentioned the pay structure. Monthly salary 10,000 to 12,000 part-time, as it is a part-time job role. If you feel you are fulfilling all these requirements, you can apply for this job role by clicking on this apply now button. After that, you have to submit this application by filling all these details: first name, email, mobile phone, social network and web links. And if you are experienced, if you did job, you have to upload your experience certificate, education. Then you have to click on this I'm not a robot and submit your application by clicking on this submit application button. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.